we're going to have a lot of voice exercises, and I invite you to explore them and give us any feedback you may have. I'm going to show a couple of them. I'm going to start with a phonation exercise. So once I click on it, we're going to see here a couple of things. So the first thing is these tags, and they show what this exercise is going to be measuring when we do it. So we're going to measure how loud our patients are when doing a sustained ah. We're going to show the duration of the phonation and a frequency analysis of that sustained ah. We can pick the number of repetitions we want to do it. I'm just going to put 2. And here we're going to have 2 options. Start training, so we get straight to the exercise and we can work with our patients on it. Or we can add to the home training list and create a training list for our patients to work independently at home. So here I'm going to start training. We go to the exercise and we're going to be seeing here the instructions. Press start, say yeah for as long as you can with a loud and clear voice, then press stop. When we are working for patients directly, we can demonstrate to them and instruct them. If they are working at home, they're going to be able to click here, watch therapist demo, and they're going to see a demo from a specialized speech and language therapist talking about how they should care about their voice and how they should perform this exercise. So they will be able to speak at their own homes. So once we click start here, it's going to start recording, and we're going to see 2 things. So we're going to see this loudness meter measuring how loud we are, and we're going to see also a timer measuring for how long our phonation is. So I'll show an example. Great. When I press stop, it stops, and there's going to be an encouraging message for the patient. We're going to have here 2 measurements. The first one is the average loudness, which was pretty loud, and we're going to have here a measurement of the start and stop time, so the duration between me starting and ending the phonation. There's going to be here a listen back, so we can listen back to the patient doing it. We can provide them some feedback, and we can click repeat to do it again. So I'll click repeat, do it one more time. We should go back to the result, to those intermediate results. We could click next, would go to one more iteration of this exercise, but I'm going to click see your results, and we're going to go to this page. So on this page, we're going to have the results. It's going to have an overview of how loud we were, so 71 decibels. And here we're going to have individual results for each of the iterations the patient did. So for the first one, my loudness was 70 decibels, and the more accurate measurement was 7.8 seconds of sustained ah. For my second one, we're going to have 71.5 decibels, but a way shorter sustaining period. And then we have the average between both of them. So this data you can use, you can track your patients, and it's going to allow your patients also to push themselves to push themselves harder. We can play back, so listen to each of those recordings, or we can even download and export into our case notes. We're also going to have a sound frequency analysis. This is only shown to the speech and language therapist. It's not on the patient side. And there are going to be some analysis on the average pitch and the jitter and shimmer of the patient. So this is really useful if you work with those metrics. So this exercise is pretty simple, but it shows a couple of really important concepts of Beautiful Voice. So number 1 is live feedback to push the patient to do harder. There's going to be video instructions to help patients to practice more effectively when they're working independently, and results analysis for the patient to track their progress, but also for you to track the progress.